Hi. In the last video I explained the functions, process and physics process. But, these functions also have a parameter. This parameter is called delta. So in today's video, I want to quickly show you what delta means. It's often misunderstood what the delta parameter means in game development. It's also known as delta time. If you create a script and leave the template setting to default, as you can see, Godot gives us a little explanation what delta does. Here it says, called every frame. Delta is the elapsed time since the previous frame. This means, delta is the time period since the previous frame. Typically, this value is 0.0167 seconds. As you can see, this value is a float value, which is why we have a float next to delta here. If you didn't use delta, then in your game the speed of your player would be different, for someone who has a slower PC than you. So, if you don't use delta, the hardware of your PC will affect the speed of your character. This means, if someone has an old PC with weak hardware, your character will move slower than on your PC, and if someone has more powerful hardware than yours, your character may move faster than on your PC. Delta is used to prevent this. So, how you can use delta now? You can use delta simply by multiplying your speed by delta. This way you ensure that your game character has the same speed on all devices, no matter how fast or slow these devices are, no matter whether it is an older device or a modern one. In practice, it looks like this. I'm programming a player using a simple sprite node, and I want the player to move to the left. I will do this simply by decreasing the x value in the x position here. As you could see, the player moved to the left at a high pace. Now, to apply delta, we simply multiply the speed by delta, like this. It's that simple. Now you can be sure that your speed is the same on all PCs and mobile devices. That's it for today. See you soon. Bye.